I'm Joe, your host for Guild Conferences, and I'm really excited to announce opening of the 3rd annual Automation Guild Conference, an online conference dedicated to helping you succeed in creating what we like to call automation awesomeness. I brought together some of the top automation experts in the world to share the best real-world examples for actionable tips, tools, techniques, and best practices you could put into place right away after the conference is over. For example, we have some awesome sessions all around test design and best practices you need to know to be successful with any test automation effort. We also have awesome sessions around AI-based technology and API testing, mobile testing, and also some of the newer technologies I think are going to be even bigger in the new year, like Cypress.io and Jest. And don't forget about our very popular end-of-day Ask Us Anything roundtables. You also get lifetime access to all the recordings after the event and have access to our awesome online community of Guild members. But don't take just my word for it. Here's what some other awesome Guild members have to say about Guild conferences. So are you in? If so, register below and let's help create an epic conference of automation awesomeness together. See you inside. Hope to see you at the Guild this year.